So, coffee with Chloe in the morning. But my wife's laughing at me because I don't have any coffee. But you are with Chloe, but it's not the morning. But that's all right. I had to pause my node. I'm very sad. Running a node on your laptop's hard. Okay, so I had to do a little graceful shutdown. I got, how far did I get? I got like 37% or something. I can't even see where it is on there. I'll look on the other screen. I got, oh shit, oh shoot. CPU at 300%. Anyways, we just shut it down. We're not doing that for now. What we are doing today is we got a proposal approved, first of all. So thank you, Creatives DAO, and thank you, Near Foundation, I guess. We got approved for our Creatives DAO proposal for July. So you can see our council and you can see our advisors, and we asked for $5,000 in Near tokens. We're KYC through the Marmaj Foundation because we have a nonprofit. Previous reports, everything's here. Okay, we have our projects, metrics, all this kind of stuff. So thank you, Adrian Seneca, for going through it and approving it. But what we have to do now is we have to actually send this proposal to be voted on by other DAOs. So there's quite a lot that goes into like putting this together, but it's gotten a bit easier. So the guide that we have for the Marmaj Foundation, or the marmaj.org guide, is outdated. So I'm going to be digging into how I would do this. I'm using 21819.near because I don't want to use marmaj.near because it takes a ledger, this little bad boy right here, and it's a lot of, for the custom function call, it's too much data for the ledger. So I have to use a hot wallet to at least send the proposals, which is fine. It does not matter who sends the proposals, it matters who votes on the proposals. So I have to actually, when you first come to Astro, I'm at my feed right now. So if you go to my DAOs, I have no DAOs I can vote on. I can create one, but because I've put in one proposal before on my feed, it shows all my old proposals. And so I'm using this as like a fun experimental account, and so this will keep track of all my fun experimental proposals that I've sent. So this one was a multi-call proposal for the Marmaj V1 multi-call contract, sending rewards to the ref farm, for example, for July. And so we're going to click the Marmaj DAO. We're going to click the green plus button over here to create a new proposal. And for this drop down, we're going to go down all the way here to vote in another DAO. And so you can arguably go to any DAO and do this. So I'm going to duplicate this tab, and I'm going to go to the Creatives DAO. You don't have to hit enter. This confused me for a long time. But there you go. I think this is the correct DAO. Perfect. And you can click the plus sign here, and you can also just say vote in another DAO. So I'm actually going to make sure that the stream's working because this is the point in time where I feel like, there you go, no issues. But if there was an issue, this is when I would annoyingly figure it out and have to redo the whole intro and the whole first 3.5 minutes. But we're good. So you can come here and you can say, hey, I want to select the DAO that you're going to be putting a proposal in. Oh, interesting. It makes you select the DAO first and then select the proposal. That's so cool. Oh, very cool. Okay, Astro DAO people, you guys did a wonderful job. This is awesome. This is so useful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I'm actually doing here is I'm submitting a proposal poll. There we go. And the poll is just so cool. I didn't know that this looked like this. I haven't used this UI before, or this flow before in the UI. And so, what is it? Lord help me. That's not what I'm looking for. It's vote approve. Vote approve Marmaj Foundation. Foundation. July proposal for $5,000 in near to marmaj.sputnikdao.near, and then the example goes the link, and let's see. So vote approve. I think that's the right thing. I can't remember. Marmaj Foundation. Are you laughing at me? July proposal for $5,000 in near. There's the link, so if anyone wants to see it, they can kind of check out all the information, leave comments if they have concerns. That's fine as well. And I can hit propose. And because I do not have a ledger I'm using, very new for this Coffee with Chloe in the Morning stream, I can just hit approve. Oh, it feels amazing. Oh my gosh, we're going to have to start using a new wallet for these videos. Oh my gosh. We're going to have to use my Near wallet. But you can't use it for this stuff yet. They haven't integrated wallet selector for Astro yet. We'll do that later soon. But now I will be able to... Oh, I have to refresh the UI, Lord help. Actually, I should be able to just... Maybe I can click it again. Oh, actually, sorry. I'm being silly. Click Marmaj Research, then click Creatives, then it should be there. Right? Ooh, do I actually have to refresh the page? I do have to refresh the page. And it might even take a few minutes to pop up. So we'll see. But you'll see exactly what I'm seeing. I've never done this before. So I don't really know. But it is here, right? The proposal is here. Is this the wrong DAO? Oh my gosh, this is the wrong DAO. It must be. Oh my gosh, this is the wrong DAO, that's why. Ugh. Sorry. No big deal. Sorry. I knew it was too good to be true when I went and I hit creatives. First of all, okay, let me just... Ugh. See, you're seeing what I'm seeing. This is... Ugh. Sorry. Wrong. Creatives. Teehee. Okay, so I knew it was too convenient because I always have to actually hit enter and then come down to the actual creatives. Where are you? It's never easy. There you go. Thank you. Add a proposal. Oh gosh, proposal poll. I had a nice one too. I had a really nice one. So we're gonna duplicate the tab and just find my other one. But they did a very good job creating this creatives DAO because it's very easy to find. So I'm proud of them. But I liked my proposal that I had there. My wording was impeccable. I liked it a lot, actually. Okay. I just don't feel like having to write it all out again. So there you go. There's my description. There's my link. There's my propose, and this is all the same. So, Ernest, when you edit this, feel free to make me not look as silly, but I kind of think it's funny, so we could have blooper reels too. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the proposal, and now I am interested to see when it comes up on... Oh no, it's gone. Well, now it's definitely going to show up. Let's see. Vote in another DAO. At least you're seeing the flow a bunch of times now if you ever watched this specific stream. Let's select the DAO first. Creatives. There it is. So it's pretty quick. Oh gosh. Example. We want to give a link to the poll. Right? Okay, so this is actually a flow that to me is logical. There's no real rule that you have to do it. I don't like this whole from create true thing. It stresses me out a little bit in the URL. So we're going to just go, here's the URL. And what we're saying is, okay, this UI needs to like shrink a whole bunch. Approve. Oh wait, why is it only giving me a few DAOs to vote in? I'm so confused. Oh no, I have to be in each DAO. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is just the first one. I'm forgetting how to do this. It's been like a month of vacation. You know, give me some. Okay, so what we're doing is um, we're still vote approving. So, do I have it? No, I don't have it here. Vote approve. Actually, sorry. It's close to this, I guess. Maybe? Okay, let's close this. Vote approve. Creatives. That already comes up. Actually, yeah, I think that already all comes up. So what people are going to care about most is that they're voting on this big thing. They already know all this. So let's just be vote yes on marmaj DAO funding for July. So yeah, this is what we're going to put on each of the actual DAOs. So I think this is correct. Gosh, Lord help me if I did it wrong, but that's okay. And now we are going to go to the members list of the Creatives DAO. And we are just going to send proposals to all of these DAOs. So this is actually where I wish the UI would let me click from here to their DAO page. There should be a little like DAO, and I should be able to just click it. But there's no way to do that, which is a little bit sad. This goes to the Explorer, like this, which is all right. Problem with the server. Retry. Okay, there's no problem with the server. So yeah, this goes to the Explorer, which is fine, but we really want to go to the DAO, sadly. And so we have this open, we're going to duplicate, we're going to keep this open because now we're going to have to use information from here and information from here to create other proposals. So we know what we're doing because the governance should be, is it all the way in settings? I don't think it's in policy settings. I thought it was in members, to be fair. It doesn't even matter that much. The point is, it's definitely in the main page. Isn't it? Oh gosh. Now I'm curious for myself, so you're all gonna have to just wait for me to figure it out. I thought it showed it at members. Configuration settings. Ooh, where is? I was gonna ask Bianca, but she'd be like, I don't know. I don't know where that would be. Do you know, babe? I thought it was right here. They move things, but not that much usually. It's not in bounties, not in polls. I always thought the governance. Do you have to make a poll to see it? Oh, you actually have to go to a proposal, click a proposal, and see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it doesn't show anywhere in the UI anymore, which is fine, as long as I guess you know. It only shows it in the proposal. So we know it needs 30% of the group to pass. There's 20 councils, so I think it's like 6. 20. I'm not good at math. Oops. 20 divided by. Okay, well I don't practice math, so it's good. That doesn't seem correct at all. You're telling me only 3 DAOs need to vote? Am I embarrassing myself on live? Too intoxicated for this. Did they remove some of the DAOs? Or they lowered the voting quorum? Ah. I was like, what's going on? Why is it only this many DAOs? Okay, so 4 DAOs need to vote, I think, to pass the proposal. I'm pretty sure. 4 times Anyways, I'm like having a tough time with math today. Oh wait, why did I do divided by 6? Am I just like having a tough time? This is gonna make a lot more sense, isn't it? Nope. What? I'm having a tough time. You guys gotta save me from like myself right now. Is this how math is when we have math questions together? And it's just like I'm too tired to even like think what's going on. Dude, this is why I need to, yeah. Anyways, Ernest is gonna watch this and be like, "What are you doing?" Okay. The point was to actually go to the DAOs in the members. Go to a DAO like Kudo. Go to Kudo DAO. And we have to do this for each DAO, which is a little bit sad. I wish it was automated. Why do I think it's actually 4? Like my brain just doesn't want to do math right now. It's like I can see the math equation in my head and I'm just like, I'm too tired. Does that ever happen to you? Does that ever happen to you? When you can see them, when you can see, okay, you're not even listening to nothing I'm saying. You're not listening to nothing I'm saying. They don't listen to nothing I'm saying. What do you mean? My gosh. Okay. What we're talking about? Oh yeah, I'm so tired. Like I'm just saying nonsense right now, pure nonsense. But we're still gonna get through this at some point. Not every video has to be beautiful. Oh gosh, this is so much easier though. Okay, this is a lot quicker. Okay, that was a lot quicker. And then a link to the create. Oh, I need another link. Okay, duplicate tab. So I need to have 4 links open still, right? I need to have a link to the proposal, 540. Actually, you don't even need that anymore. It's in the actual link now, right? It's so interesting. Anyways, we're still doing it because it adds it on chain to the link. So let's see. I'm almost like astonished. It's so much easier than before. Are you laughing at me again? You don't even listen to me. All you do is listen for like 5 seconds and laugh. And then when I need your help to do some, I need you to do math.
What do you want me to do math?
What's 30% of 20? I know that just means 30% times 20, but my brain is like, don't do that math.
6.
See? That's why I put 6 in at the beginning. I put the answer in. Oh god, it's funny.
Wait, so you don't need the answer for me?
No, I hadn't. I'm glad that you gave me the answer because my brain gave me the answer in the question, and then I'm so tired. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We need 6 DAOs to vote yes. What did I do the first time? I can't even remember. I'm so tired. But in a good way, you know? Like, I don't want to sleep. I just want to like go for a walk. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It was supposed to. It actually already did rain. It was supposed to rain. What? My wife's laughing at me. It's okay. So we did one for Kudo DAO, and now we're just gonna change it. We're gonna come here again. I like putting this one here. We're gonna go to Muti. So we actually did 2 technically. We did marmaj DAO. We did Kudo DAO. Now we're gonna do Muti DAO, and this actually should be pretty quick. So I'm gonna stop fooling around a little bit, cause like I kind of want to go for a walk with the dog. But vote in another DAO. We are going to use the link. Then we are going to use. I feel like we don't need this whole big. Wait, that wasn't the description. It was this one. Perfect. The description, and then we just say creatives, marmaj, approve, propose. Okay, yeah, quite a bit faster. We check the next one. It's beat DAO. And honestly, we're very, we just picked the top DAOs that have voted the most often. We can get some more people in, like NXM or whatever, but keeping it easy is usually simple. So, especially for the video, we're just gonna keep it simple. So, beat DAO. Oh gosh, people have beat in all their descriptions. So this should be it. Okay, we are going to scroll to the bottom, vote in DAO, description. Nope, we want it from. Did I do the right link? Oh yeah, I did because it was saved. 540. Okay. Vote, approve. I feel like I'm making less mistakes than I normally do, except for that big math blunder where my brain didn't want to do it for a second, but that's okay. I don't like math. I mean, I love math. Don't get me wrong. Me and math have like a... What? Me and math have like a love-hate relationship. I'm terrible at math. That's great? That's not great. It's terrible. It's terrible. I like discrete mathematics. It's not math. I don't care what nobody says. Okay, incubadora. Discrete mathematics is just logic. It's like physics. Physics is not math. I don't care what anyone says. I mean, it kind of, okay, it becomes math when it gets really hard. But no, no, but like, come on. Physics is just like logic. Like, okay, except for when you go to things that are too small, but like, I feel like you can like think about physics conceptually. Whereas, I guess math you can too. Math, all math. But like, you have to practice math. I feel like more. I don't practice math enough. We should start practicing math. You know, we're learning Italian now. We should start learning. Yeah, we should start learning. Like, do they have apps for learning math? Probably. Like, why are you laughing at me? I need to learn math, like calculus, linear algebra, like, you know. Okay. I don't even know how many that is. I'm not keeping track. So if I can do it in this much of a brain fog, then you can do it too. Isn't that inspirational? Like, it's not that scary. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't do metaverse yet. So let's do metaverse. Come on, come up. Or else I have to click this little see all button. Oh no. Maybe if I type in DAO at the end. Oh, there we go. Didn't have to type it in. Beautiful. Ooh. Nice healthy treasury. Fancy fancy. Okay. This is the link. So yeah, having the 4 tabs open does make it a bit easier for me just to kind of see it all from my high level, make sure I know what's going on, kind of click through all the flows. Okay, we did it. So all the proposals are in. Eventually, the DAOs will vote, and this poll will have some votes. So I could kind of show one of them, I guess. Let's do it. So right now we're logged in as 21819.near. And there's 0 votes on this thing, so we're going to disconnect. Yeah, we're going to disconnect. And then we are going to log in. Let's get the ledger logged in too. So oh, yeah, I have no shame about being bad at math on live either. Everyone's had it happen to them, so I don't even care. Anyways, let's go down to my dozens of accounts that I have here. Go to marmaj, connect ledger, next, and we will connect. So this, it looks a bit different when you use a ledger. Add key. I guess we do have to add a key when you do it, when you disconnect and reconnect. Maybe it deletes the key when you disconnect. I'm not really sure. I guess that would make sense. So here it is. I should be able to vote, so we will refresh the page. And this should be green. Wonderful. And so it looks like this. It actually doesn't show the link, which I think is actually quel dommage. You know, so I actually have to let them know on the feedback form. I'll take a print screen. Yeah. Okay. I will there. Because it should show the link to the proposal, yes, but maybe you want to give an extra link for what you're doing, right? I mean, maybe you don't want to use the same link. It should still show the link you put on the blockchain here and then show the related payout proposal. Either way, we will vote yes, and because it's the first vote, actually, I guess I'll explain it. Actually, you know what? I'll vote. You see 0 votes, so let me vote on my phone first. Under Chloe.near. And then we can show what it looks like when you get the issue, and we can also show what it looks like when the vote goes through. So I voted on my phone just now for Chloe.near, and we can refresh the, you can already see it in my top right of the screen. It happened. There's the first vote. Now I can try and vote with the second one. If I don't click this connect ledger button and I hit approve, error, you must connect your ledger. UI will kind of let me do it. Boom, ledger's connected, approve. I'll do it on my manual device as well. It'll say, boom, you did it, but no, error, you didn't put enough gas in. Oh no, And the UI will also try and let me resubmit as well. So no worries there. And I'll have to actually, yes. You do waste a bit of gas. Probably like less than a penny. I don't know how much. Less than a US penny. So, as of today. So, yeah. Anyways, that's been passed, approved, beautiful, looks wonderful and great. So in this poll, when we refresh the page now, we have an extra vote. Yay! And if we get 6 of them, this poll will be approved, and then we will be able to submit a form or whatever to the Near Foundation community, or Near Foundation, to request funding for our initiatives for the creatives category for July. That's it. It only took me 28 minutes. So when people wonder, why people aren't doing this every day all the time, it's because it takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, a little bit of know-how, but it is kind of fun in my opinion. And it wasn't that bad. 28 minutes with me fooling around and joking around and explaining things. And me not doing math. No, what was the math I was trying to do first? I feel like I need to get I did 20 divided by 6. I was like, it was 30%. My brain knew the answer too quickly, right? So I was like, oh. And I couldn't understand. I was like, I can't get it. I don't understand what's going on. That was funny. Anyways, let's close that. That was funny. If anyone wants to check out our proposal from July for the Creatives DAO, please come check it out. Please leave a comment. Let us know how we can serve the community better. And at the same time, please take part in the events. We have the Crypto Heroes event, we have the Marmaj Galleries event, and we have the Marmaj Cards event. The Marmaj Cards event, you'll have to take part in if you see me in real life. But if you do see me in real life at any event, ask me for a Marmaj card. Also, you can go on Twitter, click my bio, and you'll get a demo card, like MVP from Satori. So that, I think, is about it, though, honestly. It was a lot of rambling, but we got it done. We reached out to 6 DAOs. We put proposals into their DAO saying, can you please vote on our proposal on the Creatives DAO? Craziness. Some other small things that have happened recently. We have the Marmaj Research DAO. So actually, if we go to the feed, we will see... Oh, no. Global feed. It should be here. Maybe not. This is a funny one. Global feed. Oh gosh, no. Let's go to some fun stuff. Lots of proposals. Very proud of like the near Uh-oh. Wait. No! No! Okay, sorry. We're deleting this as spam. No! This is so sad. Someone took proposal 0. Okay, this is kind of funny though, right? Because at the beginning of this call, I submitted a proposal accidentally on the creatives-DAO, and it was proposal number 11. And now someone has done proposal number 0 on the research DAO, thinking it was a funding proposal. Anyways, it's all right. This one though we will flag as spam. I'm sorry. This is the fun research DAO. We can't have proposal. I'm actually curious to see what happens. So this is actually interesting. This is a completely separate part of the video, but only Chloe.near and marmaj.sputnik DAO.near are even on this council. So this council is an interesting one. So to even pass anything here, which is interesting, I'm gonna have to let's do it on my phone first, because marmaj research, man, that's not fun. Anyways, proposals. Like the bond isn't even reset. Yeah, I don't know what the bond is for this DAO. Remove. Sorry. Getting removed from the DAO. That's... Someone can remove my proposal from the creatives DAO that I put up incorrectly as well. Understandable, but okay. So now to get the next proposal voted on, we are going to have to create a custom function call proposal on the marmaj DAO to do this. And remember, we can't use the ledger for this, so we're gonna have to disconnect again. Right? I could have done it on my phone. I could have just done it on my phone quickly and whatever. Actually, oh man, I should have done that. Should I do that? Actually, let's do it just so I can show how easy it is to connect do it on a phone, because if I don't do it this way, my ledger is gonna disconnect and then I gotta re-unlock it again. But I can do it very quickly on my phone as I'm streaming. Using AstroDAO is quite simple to use. So we are gonna add a proposal to the marmaj DAO, vote in another DAO. We are gonna vote in the UI doesn't work well on mobile, so I'll go to desktop site. Okay, let's try this again. We are going to vote in another DAO. The description is going to be remove marmaj research DAO proposal 0. I could link to the proposal, but I won't, because it'll be removed. Yes, proposal ID 0, and vote. Oh no! Oh no! It doesn't let you do vote remove in the UI. Okay, we're going to do something maybe a little bit interesting. So we're going to do vote reject, let's see. And then I'm going to propose it, go to the wallet, send it to Discord, and we're going to try sending it through CLI and just changing it. So more information, because this isn't cool. I completely forget how to like add proposals, but that's okay. And then we're gonna send this to this channel. Okay, so let's come over here. I'll let everyone just see what's going on in Discord. Nothing that serious. Go to the hacking channel. We scroll to the bottom. And it's all right here. We go to here. We clear this out. And, oh, I didn't mean to, okay, wait. This is not going to be the same, but near call smart contract would be marmaj dot sputnik DAO dot near. What we're calling is add proposal. Let's make it a bit bigger because that's going to bother me. Add proposal. And we should be able to... Okay, this part is definitely not going to work to just call it like this. But... Ugh, it keeps doing that. Let's delete that. What? Sorry. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's go all the way up. Vote in description. Remove research DAO proposal. Vote in another DAO. Method name. Oh, so method name act proposal. Oh my gosh, it puts the arguments in there already. That's so lame sauce. I wonder if I'll be able to actually just, well, we'll see. We're going to have fun with this for a bit. Base 64, I guess, decode. And then I guess we could duplicate the tab. We could, nope. Actually, we could, no, I just want to do this, decode, and then in the UI, if I go to a proposal, I can't reject this, but on marmaj DAO, I can reject a proposal. Haha. Here we go. Remove. I want to double check the code. So just so I can make sure. So yeah, that's what I thought it was. But okay. So oh, it's not here. Sorry, it's here. I'm just gonna copy and paste it to make sure, and I didn't make sure. Man, my copying and pasting is terrible. I mean, I didn't, let me just, doesn't matter. Okay, now we're going to copy this, come here, we're going to say encode, we're going to put that in, we're going to encode it, and this should work. And just to double check, we're going to put that in there and decode it. And then ID 0 action vote remove should be the same as vote remove. So we should be good. Yes. So we should be able to take this. And then I think we had it open here. Oh no. Why are you doing this? Here we go. And now when we do this, we should be able to put that in. And that should now be vote remove, act proposal, marmaj research, vote another DAO, add proposal. And then my computer, I keep adding this like 203 thing. Oops. Okay, so this will definitely not work, but I feel like hitting enter just so I don't lose it. It's just not gonna work. Oh no. Are you gonna be a butt about this? Okay, good. It's saved. What was here? Because we're gonna have to add, okay, near CLI, near. I mean, like, ugh, I just forget. I always forget this type of stuff. I don't know where I have examples, but I should be able to just find an example here, right? Just like literally any example of calling. Okay, near. What? Okay, you're gonna have to. There you go. Give me an example, please. Near call. There we go. This is what we need. Account ID. But if you don't put gas at the end, it's gonna go with 150. Do I need to send Yocto with it? I do need to send the deposit. Give me a real example. Dang it, I need a real example. This is not. Where do I have a proper example somewhere? Okay, so we do near call, account ID, and then deposit. Okay, fine. Let's just do it. Ugh. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Near account ID. Oh, shoot. What's attached here? 21819.near. And then amount. How much do I have to send? I don't even know how much it is for this thing. This is a cancel. Where's the research DAO? Whoops. Where is the research DAO? That's not correct. Okay, because marmaj research comes up first, eh? When you type marmaj out, that's sad. This is kind of a fun little hack. Trying to do this. So, what am I looking for right now? Let me go back to the terminal and see what I'm looking for. Oh, nope, not looking for that. The bond amount, which I'll find just from putting up a new proposal. 0.1 near. Okay, and it's probably in. Oh, it's probably not in Yocto. In near, yeah. So deposit Yocto is in Yocto. This is in near. So amount 0.1, and it's not gonna work. We're not logged in this account right now. Oh, gosh. Okay, so near login, and then 21819. Okay, you're giving full access to your account with this. Yeah, whatever. 21819.near. Do this with a hot wallet, not with a wallet that you use with all your funds. 21819.near is a hot wallet. It's used just for voting on things and experimenting with things, and basically for research. So you could log out. You're good. So now we should be able. I think we need to format the. Oh gosh, sorry. There's still that 200 whatever up at the top. I wish anyone would navigate through this faster. There's got to be a way. And I might have to format this a bit better, but maybe not. Okay, let's at least send this through. Dang it. Okay. So near call, marmaj. Whoops. Let's see. Near call, contract name, near call, marmaj.spectacle.near, add this. Oh, I didn't add, okay, my bad. I did not end it anywhere near correctly. So here we need to actually end the brackets, and that should actually just fix it. Okay, now we can see the errors properly. Unexpected end of JSON. What did I do? I ended the JSON incorrectly. Let's see. Oh, shoot. No, okay. So it says, maybe I'll just fix the formatting a bit. It's a bit confusing for me. Near call. Then you put the JSON in. So we're talking about, okay. So proposal, then it's this whole big thing. Wait. Okay. Proposal has this whole, kind has that, actions. Okay, let's see. Actions, and then kind, and then proposal. And this is the entire thing, yeah. So this actually makes sense to me so far. I don't really get why it's not working. Account ID, 209, amount, 0.1. Unexpected end of JSON. Input. Unexpected end of JSON input. Why are you being like this? Remove marmaj, research DAO, proposal 0, vote in another DAO. Oh, that's the UI indication to add a link, and the link doesn't go on chain. And oh wait, maybe the link would have went on. Okay, never mind. Stay on track. Oh, near CLI has a minor upgrade as well. Okay. Let's see. I know it's probably something basic I'm doing wrong. Proposal. Then you have the JSON. Then you have it here. Wait. I don't know if this works. Okay, wait. And then that ain't gonna work. Wait. It would go on the outside of the brackets or the inside of the brackets? No. You don't need. No, everything's already wrapped nicely. Yeah, this is at least showing us a simple error. Unexpected end of JSON input. I didn't think you needed to add anything to the end. Okay, let's check out Astro again. If I wanted to be here and remove a proposal. No, I'm adding a proposal. Oh, gosh, okay. I'm adding a proposal to remove. So, just gibberish, I suppose. 1 near, 2 A, B, C, dot near. Propose. What we're actually looking for is this. arguments. And then we're trying to see why this is so different than this. So you have that, and then proposal, description, kind, get all the information, deposit. I'm actually quite confused. I'm not really sure why this isn't working. I feel like I want to just find like something I've called. I don't have any previous code I've called on here. Like all just view stuff recently. Near. Okay. Let's see. Near call something. That looks the same. Quotations. I don't know the difference. This is going to be so complicated. Okay. I have one more solution to this interesting problem. So we are going to go, I guess, on my phone, because we have something we can do a little bit easier. So on my phone, I'm going to go to the marmaj research DAO. Okay. And I'm going to add a proposal to change the voting quorum. So oh no, because it was already up. No, this is like such a hassle. I'm trying to think of the fastest way to do this. The DAO can vote, but has to call a custom function call. So I have to add a proposal to the DAO to do a custom function call to vote remove. Okay, that's clearly the easiest way to do this. So I tried to do all this fun stuff, but that's clearly not going to work for right now. So I'm going to do a general old custom function call. Deposit is going to be 0.1. The JSON is going to come from copy text. Oh, we did find this new. That was helpful. Actually, no, let's just take just that, because for some reason Discord doesn't like us. That's not correct. See, this stuff takes a long time. Okay. So let's put this in the JSON. Okay, it needs to go back to oh my god. It needs to go back to not being the desktop site because anyways, we're going to do this again. Sorry, this is going to take like a second. So custom function call. We add the JSON. We copy and paste this new base 64 saying to vote remove. Wait. I'm voting on the marmaj DAO. Okay, I don't have to do all this funkiness. My bad. Marmaj dot research. Wait, I'm being silly. I keep forgetting there's multiple ways of doing the same thing. So, what I should be able to do is what I was talking about before. I got this. Don't worry. We're going to log in, because doing it on my phone was boring. No one can see it. I'm not recording it. What's the point? We don't need to use the basic64. We don't have to use the terminal. I was going to do it that way, but I don't have enough practice, and apparently I'm putting my JSON in wrong, and that wasn't working. So we're going to connect here. I don't know why. Okay. So we're at the marmaj DAO already. We're going to say normal custom function call, and this normal custom function call is going to say, here we go, marmaj research proposal 0. So it's just going to say vote reject proposal 0 in marmaj research DAO. Try and keep it simple. And sure, you know what? We can actually link the proposal. This is weird. The link's not working. Perfect. So we can link the proposal even though it shouldn't work later. The contract address is marmaj-research.sputnikdao.near, and the contract will actually give you all the methods. I forgot about this. So you can update, store blog, bounty claim, and you could just keep going, and you should be able to act proposal. Boom. And then the JSON for acting the proposal we already saw is, we're just going to copy and paste this. We don't got time for all this. It is proposal ID 0, and we are vote rejecting. And so hopefully, you know why it's being a vote reject. The deposit is the bond amount for the DAO. So here we go. This is what it is. We're doing act proposal. We are doing this exact same thing, but doing a vote reject because it's on the wrong DAO. And so we do need to update this to being higher than 150 because this is the actual voting amount. So when your wallet redirects to say, oh, you didn't use higher than 150, you have to use 300 gas now, this is that amount here. And so we're sending with 219 because 219 generally works for these custom function calls. And yeah, this should put the proposal into the DAO, and then we can vote on the proposal with marmaj and with Chloe. Sorry, it took me so long. I'm definitely doing the wrong password. Okay. So, can't vote with this account, so we're going to have to, I wish you can vote. Oh my gosh, you can log in with 2 accounts. Where do these updates come from, and why don't I know about them? But that's so amazing. Thank you for me being an hour into the stream and just realizing that I can be logged in with 2 accounts at once. How many accounts can I log into? I don't know. We'll find out. That's so cool that I can just keep logging into different ones, but that's amazing. Anyways, we will vote reject. Hopefully there's no issues on this one. Let's see. And if there are no issues, I will also vote through with my phone. No issues so far. We are going to go to the main Astro. Oops. Okay. You know what? Just click the Astro DAO tab on my phone. We are going to make sure we use at least 219 T-gas because, of course, we know that that's the amount the proposal is going to exactly need at least. So we're going to send at least exactly that amount and see if it works. It might request more, but it did request more. I find that very interesting, that it requested more even though I sent the exact amount that I sent in the proposal. But sending my proposal probably takes like 7 gas or something like that. And it should have worked. Failed. I probably did something silly. But let's see. This is actually kind of fun. So let's see on chain what I did. Well, maybe we'll just redo it. And maybe we won't. But okay, what did I do? What did I do silly? Act proposal. Oh, whoops. I thought because I was voting I had to send the deposit? Maybe not. Okay. It's faster. I don't have to log in and out anymore. We will do this again. I'm going to duplicate it so I don't have to, like, you know, do it all. Actually, my bad. I can just do it underneath itself. Real bit close tab. Okay. We are going to do a custom function call. We are going to... I don't have to do this in 2 separate screens, but I think it's easier sometimes. Copy the link. At least we have all this stuff ready. Marmaj research. It's going to give us the method name, which is awesome. Act proposal. Let's close this too. We know it's going to be vote reject. And apparently, I don't get why the bond is. I don't think this is like, this doesn't make sense. Anyways, how could the deposit be 0? Like vote reject is free. Vote reject is free. Okay, that's cool. T-gas, we're still going to be cheeky and do 219. I find this very, very, very interesting. Wait, what was that? Ugh, I'm having way too much stuff here. Reopen, close tab. Oh no. It's going to do this to me, isn't it? No. Oh, gosh. Why am I getting like this? Because I just had something open that was helpful. Oh yeah, this failed proposal. I wanted to see exactly why it failed again. Act proposal doesn't accept a deposit. Oh, only add proposal. Okay, I'm out of practice. I am out of practice. Okay. Add proposal. Act proposal. Deposit 0. Wow. Wait, am I adding? I'm confusing myself. Adding proposal. We pay a deposit, but we're acting and we're paying 0. Long day. No math. Now we're messing up on logic. It happens. So this should now be proposed. We should be able to switch to... This is awesome. This is beautiful. Switching back and forth like this, it's already logged in. I'm able to... This time I'll vote on my phone. Dropping things. This time I'll vote on my phone first. Just so we can actually see how quickly it goes. It's pretty quick. So let's vote on my phone. And then we will see the pop-up here, but we will, like, the UI won't refresh on its own. So, I mean, the pop-up's instant, but the UI doesn't refresh. But I can click 219, and this should work. Like 75% chance. We'll see. I might have to send more gas, but then it should work. Okay, so that was reasonable. I expected that to happen, and now this time it should work as long as the logic is good. We'll see. Approved. And so now when we go back to marmaj research, this should not show up anymore. Okay, well, soon. But this proposal, what? Oh no. Why does it have an upvote? I'm so confused. Oh wait, sorry. This is what we're looking for. No! What just happened? Didn't we vote remove it? Ah! What did I just do? Oh my gosh, I copied and pasted it and vote rejected. Instead of vote remove. My bad. And now it's going to stay there forever in an expired state. After all of that, we won't be able to remove it. Well, that was fun, ladies and gents. That's bothersome. Because, yeah, now we're just going to always have this awkward DAO at the big further. Awkward proposal as our first proposal. I do think it's funny now. This is always how things start with the marmaj Foundation. I do think it's funny that I made the mistake of doing vote reject instead of vote remove. This is why you always gotta double check your work. So yeah, I guess I'm done with the streaming for now. The stream was supposed to be me submitting the proposals for the Creatives DAO funding for July. I did that. I also tried to play around with like going into CLI and removing this proposal. This DAO wasn't really even set up yet. I made it this morning just for fun, and there's already kind of, I guess, spam on it. And So I meant to lower the voting threshold so that Chloe.near can just pass things. You know what? Let's do that. How long is that going to take? My gosh. Right? Like I'm just sitting here like, how long is it going to take to... Fine. Let's just do it. Change... What? Where's the setting to just change the voting policy? I'm seeing name, purpose, links, flag, legal status, bonds and deadlines, create a group, propose a poll. Maybe you have to do it in settings. Why do they make this stuff so complicated? Configuration settings. Oh yeah, we went through this. It wasn't here either. Maybe you have to be logged in as member of the DAO. Oh gosh. Okay. So I'll get this set up eventually. I think you probably have to be logged in as a member of the DAO maybe to see these settings. I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing it. But yeah. Toodles all. Hope this may have been creating some helpful content for people. Such an interesting stream. But yeah, hopefully we'll get the marmaj research DAO set up eventually. Maybe we'll just make a whole new DAO or something. But we probably won't do that. I'm just being like a drama queen or something. But See y'all.